Alright guys, I showed up here and I forgot to turn my camera on, but we're hooked up with the brownie. Got him. It's actually a pretty nice brown. Dude, that's not a bad one, honestly. I've caught worse. Now this is an interesting spot. It's offload of Boulder Creek. It's a little ditch area, and there's some big brown trout in here. They ain't big. It's not a ton of space, but I already lost a nice one, and yeah, we're gonna let him go back in. Keep fishing here. That's pretty cool, honestly. I didn't think I was gonna catch much in here. It's a spot that, you know, you'll see them in here, but you barely catch them. So that thing just clobbered it. Yeah, my dad's looking at me like I'm crazy. This is definitely an urban spot. Some big suckers in here too. When it goes still, the fish are pretty easy to see, but hard to catch. That thing ate it a couple times, I think. Oh, I got another one, guys. I'll be. Oh, I'm out of here. A brown trout. 2 pounds. There's some interesting activity going on. Some howling. Cool little brown trout. Let's see if there's more there. Got another one. Oh, dude, I just lost another one. They're stacked in here for some reason. No, it's different. There's quite a few fish in here, dude. Let's get the cast up towards the top. Can't believe I wasn't filming. Dead. Boulder PD's clearing them out. Boulder PD's over there. Fish. Pretty good. I've never caught anything out of here. Always seen them. What? What, Dad? A what? Dad's telling me a place to cast. I'll cast it in a second. Test it. I might text my friend and tell him to get on out here if he can. He's in Boulder right now, Mountain Longmont. I'm definitely gonna see if he can come on out here. I'm on him right now. I just had a fish, I believe. Yeah, I believe that I just had a fish. For sure just had a fish. This cast is tough. Yep, dude, that was perfect. That couldn't have been any better. Dude, that fish keeps coming back out. It's a brownie. Ain't too big. guys, this is another brown trout. He just flashed on it. He flashed on it. Get him in the hands. Chill, buddy. These are clean fish. Surprisingly, for where I am. There's a vape in the water right there, right below me. It's pretty clear too, compared to where I was earlier. There you go, guys. Very clean, pretty lean fish. Get a photo of him. Come back. There's no soft releases here. Too high up. There might be some more fish over there. Let's see. I was just yellow brown. They're all browns. Dude, there's some bigger fish up there. Oh, there's like 5. Dude, there's like 3 following me right now, guys. He's on it. Got him. Got it in. Lost it. He's gonna come back and get it, dude. Dad, I'm telling you, he's gonna come back and eat it. Oh, no, he's gone. Dude, that was an interesting turn of events right there. That was something. Fish on me, fish on me, fish on me. Fish on me. Fish on me. He's gonna eat it. 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 Got him. Oh, he missed it. He missed it. He missed it. He missed it. Nice. He's right down there. Yeah. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but he's on it again. He's on it again. Dude, he's right there, and he's just eating it whenever I drop it down there. I don't know if you guys can see. You probably can't. Honestly, you definitely can't. But this is something else. I mean, he's not gonna eat anymore. But that was different. I've never had that happen before. Oh, I was on again. Dude, what is happening? What is happening? They must have just opened these gates. And these fish are pumped up and ready to eat. This is crazy. This is crazy. Second fish I've had follow me out here. Not eat it. So if another one comes at me. They're pretty willing to eat, actually, surprisingly enough. I do think in a second here, I don't have a ton of fluoro on either. From right where you are? Nah, the cast isn't good. Because the current's coming and the wind, so my braid will get all knotted up and stuff. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got bit again, guys. It's a spot that I don't fish very often because there are quite a few unhoused people. There's another fish on me. You guys can believe that. There's 3 fish on me. There are 3 fish on me right now. Oh my, there's 5 fish over there. There's a little school of brown demons over there. This is actually crazy. Dude, if I had worms right now, bro. Dude, if I had worms right now, it would be game over. I'm not, like, I wouldn't be messing around if I had worms. Dude, I might have to tie on, like a trout magnet and just slow drift it through there. Like, this is unreal. Some unreal brownie fishing. On me. He's back after. Ah, I missed him. Missed him. Unreal. Sorry, there's a guy walking behind me, kind of funny. Just gotta stay careful, guys. Just have another fish on. It's crazy. This is crazy. Let me try back up in this corner again. Crazy. Dude, I have fish chasing me every single cast. Just can't get them to commit. I can see fish fighting over it right now. Dude, if I had my polarized glasses and I could see every fish that's eating it, it would be game. It would be. Frick me, man. What the hell? Dude, what the hell? Like, I'm casting back in there. They're chasing it out. They're putting it in their mouth. I'm setting the hook, and they're not getting hooked. It might be time for a change of color. I think a lot of them have seen this. We'll keep it going until it stops working, but... Let's see. Fish on me. Every cast, guys, every cast. Every cast, every cast, every cast, every cast, every cast. All the casts. Dude, I bet you. Give me a sec. I bet you if I tie on, if I clip off right now and I put on a purple color or like just a normal craw color, I'm having no problem with them following it. It's just commitment. So I figure, let's see. There's some minnows too, in case they're wanting that. New tackle haul that I purchased contained quite a few new items. So we thinking black, pumpkin. Do you want to try black? Black or pumpkin? Let's try the pumpkin. Should eat this pretty well. If not, I mean, I got spinners. I got everything. Put it in my butter. So, I can see my spool backlashing because I clicked it, so it's a free spool. It's fine. Gotta make sure I tie a good knot so I can flip these. I mean, it's 6-pound fluoro, so should be able to handle them, but you never know. You never know. There's an interesting crowd around here. Interesting group of fellas. Here we go, guys. Doing pumpkin action. See if the old trout like that one. Like this a little bit more natural. A little bit natural color on there. Dude, they're on it. I don't know where it is. That's the issue. I'm not gonna be able to see it as well. Just gonna have to rely on the fact that the trout can see it and that they want it. Pumpkin color. I'm telling you, this thing is gonna be the sauce. Unless it's just not, and I have to go tie them in later because they can see my braid right now. the activity, these brown trout. I almost want to throw on a spinner, but I know they won't go for a spinner. I've seen that too many times, so I'm going to retile the right back. I'm back, guys. I tied on, instead of a trout magnet, I tied on one of the new lures I got. A tackle haul. A Bobby Garland Itty Bitty Slab Hunter. Gave the spot some time to cool down. Let's see. Just looks like a little minnow to me. Got some paddling action. Oh yeah. That should get bit. Though I guess you never know, but this one should get them on it. Oh yeah, there's already 3 fish on it. That is something. Tied on a big old leader. Big for me. Normally I'm fishing 1 foot leaders. It's not a 1 foot leader. Oh, that's a big trout. Guys. And now it's snapped. I'm gonna go over there and get that. It's a new lure. What can I say? I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Got it back. Didn't spook. Well, I didn't see many trout spook, so I think I'm all good on that front. Doesn't look like the super glue that I put on my knot got into my eyelets yet, so it's good. Now let's see if we can't just same spot, dude. Like, couldn't have been any closer to where I just got snapped. But yeah. Dude, this lure's light. It's got a lot less density to it than that trout magnet craw. Just a casting lines type presentation. Subtle little paddling action on that paddle tail. Got him. Got him. Tricked one, obviously. That's like what, our 5th fish of the day? Okay, buddy, okay, buddy, okay, buddy, okay. These fish, man, they just don't give up. This one looks like he's got a bit of a defect. He's missing part of his gill plate. So, it's kind of interesting. You don't see that much in these fish. Surprisingly, there's not a lot of defects in these trout. But yeah, I'm missing that gill plate action. I forgot to do something crucial that keeps these native trout alive, and that is crimping my barb. So, bust out the old multi-tool and just pinch that barb down. Like that. Keeps fish healthy. Keeps the population safe. Felt bad for that guy. Couldn't quite get the hook out as quick as I wanted to, since he had an issue and all. I don't know why I said a defect. It's not like he's a machine, you know. But yeah. Let's see if this little minnow can get it done. He just came out and crushed it. So I think when the trout are doing this to your presentation, I think that you're throwing the right thing. I just saw one on it. There's a fish that was on it. Didn't chase it any more than a freaking foot. Lazy fish. Some of these fish, I think, are just lazy. Like, once it gets away from them, they just don't want to go for it anymore. But then there's some that are, like, coming blazing out, like the fish that just followed me in there. I don't know if you guys can see these. Oh, my camera's tilted so low down. Like a little, it's kind of like a tuxedo minnow color for the original minnow, but these are just real small, and they've actually got a really nice paddling action. It's kind of rare to see from swim baits like this, from little swim baits like this, but this one's got a nice action. It's nice. Looks good. Felt good. Let's go see if the fish up here are going to bite. It's getting windier and windier. They're in the wrong tunnel. Got bit. This is some fast flowing water. This is some water right here. But dude, I'm casting way back into these. Oh, that was big. Dude, that was a big trout. That was a big trout right there. Dude, that thing handled it. Dude, I'm trying to replicate that cast. I don't know what I did. Dude, I don't even know how I got that. Cast so good I can't replicate it. But that thing, I'm sure there's more in these tunnels too. Fish on there was. Definitely didn't stay on me through all that water. Got hit with my jig right in the face. Not in the face. I don't know what I'm tweaked about. Whew. Mine. Apparently, they just highlighted this as a moment. I didn't cook anything. So, I don't know what's up with that. Backlash came back to play. And he snapped. Got it off. Yeah, you know. Oh, there's a fish that just came out and ate this. He done missed it, but the fish here today, more active than I've ever seen them. This would be a bad day to be at, like a minnow or a claw getting swept out. This would be a bad day. Because you're done. Like, they're not showing you any mercy. You're getting eaten. Sometimes, you know, they might think that you're like, a while back they might have thought that you're just like a lure or something. Scared away. Today, like they're gonna eat. Did I scratch my lens? Yeah, I caught like 12 brown trout out of there. Really? Yeah. How big? Nothing bigger than that. That's probably about the biggest one.
10, 9, 10 inches. It's not bad.
7, 8, yeah. But there's quite a few of them in here. A couple big ones
nice
too.
holding area.
Yep. Catching them all out in front of this bush. It's a Bobby Garland bait. It's a itty bitty.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. It's like a little minnow. Oh. Had a nice conversation with that guy. He's got one. Oop. Well, lost him. Yep. That guy was a fisherman too. He fishes mostly St. Graham. He's moved out here from Longmont. Nice guy. Nice guy. Talking. He's asking me find him any spots to fish. Gave him a spot. Gave him one of the better spots I know. I mean, nice guy, man. And gatekeeping's stupid. So. I only gatekeep my bass spots. I've got better trout spots than a private water, so not even a point to gatekeep those. Because you can't get into them either way. Now what I might do... Oh, that's backwash. A little backwash. And, fish here. Oh, that's a big dog. That's a big dog. Mr. Brown trout. He was not trying to play. Oh, there's some brownies on me. Yup. There you go. Little guy. Yep. Yeah, this one's small. Yes?
We have to go.
Why?
Because, oh, nice. Because I gotta wash the car and I'm gonna go to dinner at 6.
Okay, can I have like 20 more minutes?
10.
Alright,
Right,
thank you, bye. Alright guys, my dad just called me and said I got 10 more minutes left. Sun is setting, so this is one of those spots that, you know, definitely a more in the light of day spot. But this little paddle tail seems to have been... Oh, there's a fish on me. Turned off. Turned off. Dude, these fish are fired up. It's gonna be a good video for you guys. Maybe not. I don't know. Last video did pretty good. 100 some views. I was happy with it. And I only got 20 subs. Also, I'd like you guys to, you know, like and sub. Oh, Big Brown just came back out and swooped at it. Dude, I want that fish to actually get it. That thing is horned up. Okay, now he's not gonna eat it. When I intentionally roll it right over where he is, he's not gonna eat it. Seriously? Seriously, dude? Must have tasted some hook on that last one. Fish on me, fish on me, fish on me, fish on me. Fish on me, fish on me, fish on me. Ah. Dude, it's every time, you know, these fish get they get on me and then just turn away. Dude, I'm just trying to catch a fish. I got probably 7 minutes left. The fish are not cooperating. I mean, this cast is tough to get without getting in these branches, because you're at such a high vantage. Like, if this was a normal bank, I would be catching so many more fish. But yeah, that guy I talked to is a big fly fisherman. So am I. You guys will get some content over the summer. Alright, gotta go over there. Snagged up. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. And I'm on the other side, so I'm just gonna walk along here, honestly. And see if these fish are willing to eat it, if it's just being presented right along the wall. I wonder. And you shouldn't be too picky. Or just a little Well, it might be my time to get out of here. But I'm gonna give it a second longer. Because I'm not trying to leave yet. I'm having a good time. Having fun. That, so I would be. I wish the sun was up for longer. Well, summer exists. My dad's got a dinner party, so gotta get out of here and all that. Let's see if I can pitch this. Nope, okay, that was a bad decision. Alright guys, on that note, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.